Hey, I'm Cam Day. Welcome to the channel and to today's video. It's a pleasure to have you. I hope you're doing okay. I'm really excited, but when am I not really? We are gathered here today for a little unboxing moment. I'm really excited. If you've been here before, you know that, you can tell. This is a little tiny channel and this is my first official unboxing video and I'm really excited. So I first want to say a big thank you to FitGlow Beauty. I'm so excited to check out their products. They were so generous to send what they have sent to me, and I'm excited to open it all up with you and do some swatching and get some first impressions going. It'll be great because this is my first time handling any of the product from the brand. I've kind of watched them from afar. I've seen them on Instagram, and that was only in the last year or so, so I've had them kind of in the corner of my eye, and I am just so grateful that they reached out and wanted to send over some goodies, and I'm excited to share that with you, beautiful people. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. That's a Cat in the Hat reference for anybody who is a person who's seen that movie.
I'm so excited!
Anyway, let's just start opening things because I can't wait. First, we've got a package of their lip color serums. I'm really excited about this. I have an internet friend. She is also a YouTuber and she's got an Instagram page. She does really beautiful in-depth reviews and swatches and is just a gorgeous human at State of Kate. She raves about FitGlow's formulas, so I'm excited to try. And it looks like they included 2 more of them in 2 different shades. So many! So we'll be able to see how we feel about all the different colors. And then we've got Maskne Oxygen Mist. Ooh, I'm very excited about this. We'll look at the ingredients and the packaging and everything momentarily. Warning, you might fall in love with what's inside. Adorable. I'm very excited. Straightforward notes. Open me. I have a feeling this is a little sample. Let's find out. It's like we're all having a Christmas moment together. Ah, yes, this is a sample package. So exciting. I love a good sample situation. So this is a sample of their Veda Rich Creme. It naturally awakens skin youth functions while nourishing skin, brightening, and reducing the look of fine lines. The combination of plant retinols, cherry brightening complex, and over 150 phytonutrients naturally transform the look and feel of skin. And a note about FitGlow, if you haven't heard of them before or if you were curious, just a reminder, they are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben silicone-free, made with plant actives specifically for the rich creme, but that's kind of their MO, which is always a plus. They also included a sample of their lip color cream in the shade Buff, which sounds like a me shade. Ooh, it looks like a nice deep rosy tone. We'll get into that. And one of the last samples they included is their, I hate trying to say this word, Bakuchi, because I just want to say Bakuchi, because it sounds funny. Bakuchi body cream. It's, wow, I know I said it wrong, dang. It's, from what I know about that ingredient, it's supposedly a more natural plant-derived version, or it's similar to a retinol. This body cream restores, renews, and replenishes the skin. It's loaded with antioxidant, plant-based retinol alternatives. Okay, close. And a skin brightening complex. It's fast absorbing and it targets dull and aging skin. It includes a powerful blend of hyaluronic acid, Bakuchi, and glutathione to deeply hydrate. Lock in moisture, improve plumpness, and bounce. Shea butter helps skin thrive with rich vitamins that melt into skin for smooth results. All of that sounds very lovely, and I love a good package. This is a decent sized sample that I can use it after a shower and see how I feel. Let's do some trying on and some swatches, shall we? Probably the most important part of this package is that they included a little personalized note, just saying that they're excited and hope that I enjoy these products. And I am already enjoying the experience. Honestly, that's what matters most, but Either way, I'm so grateful and I'm so excited. So I want to start with doing some swatches of these lip serums, the lip color serums, again, because I've heard good things about the formula and the texture and how it feels, and I just want to try it for myself and see how these colors show up. I'm going to start by opening up this set, but first I just want to read a little bit more so you can kind of get brought along the journey more and understand what we're looking for and what to expect. So the lip color serum goes beyond just adding color and hydration to lips. The plant-based gloss serum gently plumps without irritation. Huge. Organic pomegranate sterols, beet extract, vegan collagen, and antioxidants work to improve lip condition and diminish the look of fine lines. Lips look soft and full. Okay, cool. I'm excited. Zoomed in a little bit so you can see the colors a little bit better on me. Let's talk about the packaging first. It's a cute, nice frosted plastic tube. I really like the size of it. It's a good amount of product, and I like the handle. It's a cute little like chrome paint splatter finish, and it's got a nice little standard doe foot. Now let's see how it smells. Scent is really important for me, and it will make or break my experience with a product, so it passes. It's good. It's a nice warm scent. It does have scent. It's fragranced. I want to say it's kind of like vanilla-y, almost like marshmallowy, with a hint of cocoa in it. It doesn't smell like chocolate, but it smells very warm and sweet. And it might even have like a touch of mint, I can't tell. It passes the test for me. It might be a little too fragranced if you're super sensitive to fragrance. Just gonna apply. My first layer. It definitely has mint in it because I can feel it, and I know it said it was kind of plumping, but it's very, very subtle. I personally love mint in lip products, but if you're not a big fan of mint, this won't be overpowering or uncomfortable at all. As far as the texture goes, it's very light on the lips. It feels conditioning, almost like a lip balm. So I like that they call it a serum because it does feel like it's doing something to my lips without feeling too sticky or just like there's too much product on my lips. I really like this color. It's a really cute like baby petal pink on me, and I might pair it with maybe a darker lip liner or just kind of on its own. So far I'm a fan. I'm gonna build it up a little bit just to see what the shine can look like. My lips are starting to tingle a little bit, like ever so slightly. They just feel a little warm. But I like it, and I know that they're getting a little juicy and a little plumpy. So far, so good. Let's try out the other colors. This is the shade O, A-U. I'm assuming it's like the French word. And I'm gonna try and see if I can swatch this with a Q-tip because I wanna see if I can experience the color without having to use the doe foot, just in case I want to share it with somebody else, in case it's not my favorite. But this definitely looks like a color that I would use. So I just used the rest and the extra. I literally just removed it from the base for the first time and just took the excess that was there, and I'm gonna close it back up, and let's give this one a try. It looks deeper, a little rosier. Oh yeah. Once it's all spread out, it almost looks a little more corally on me, like kind of a salmon color. But I like it. The next shade, and I just had a light bulb go off in my mind, is T-I. So the first one was B, the second one was E. It smells beautiful. The package of 4 spells beautiful. I'm with it now. FitGlow, that's super cute, but kind of confusing if you're just using one shade because it doesn't always make sense. So this next shade looks a little more mauve, and I'm really into it. I love this set already just because these are colors that I would go for on a regular basis. I prefer peachy nude or rosy nude colors. So let's see how this one looks. This one almost matches my lips like to the T. I'm gonna get a little more. I'm just gonna use the applicator because I know I'm gonna use this one. I'm liking it. The colors are similar, but I could have like 11,000 nudes and kind of know when to go for the ones that I want and pick them out. So these are great additions to the repertoire that I already have. And it even says on the packaging, like when I read to you from the beginning, it's a light wash of color. They're not meant to be super opaque. It's really just to enhance your natural lip color, get a little bit of a different tint on them if you want, but give a nice conditioning feel to them and actually condition them and give a little bit of shine to as well. in addition to. On to the next one. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and assume that this one's called Full. And what do you know? It is. This one looks like the darkest of the Quattro. I can tell already this one is going straight on my lips. It's a really nice like brick color, but it's like a brick caramel. It's still got the warmth of a brown in there, but it's got enough of a pinky redness to it. I don't know, I'm not a color describer, or I'm not the best one, but look, it's definitely the deepest. Oh yeah, it's got this really pretty like cocoa tone to it. Oh, heck yeah. I'm gonna add another layer, again, just to see how deep the color can get built up and to get a little more shine. We've got one more of these to try. This is one of the individuals that they sent. They sent over another one, but it was the duplicate of the first shade B. So, does this mean we should do a giveaway? Let me know in the comments, I'd be happy to. 'Tis the season. This last shade is called Nice. It's super cute. I wouldn't call it a cam color, but let's give it a try. It's a really bright, corally, pinky peach color. So I am gonna go for a Q-tip on this one, just in case she's not the one, and let's give it a go. It's a little bit of a bright shade for me. Like I said, the first few were definitely more up my alley because they're more nudes. This is kind of going into a brighter color family for me. So this one might be part of the giveaway too, but I love the formula, it's great. To finish up the lips, I'm gonna try this sample of their lip color cream in Buff. I really love the formula of this one. It's very light for a lip cream. It doesn't feel too thick or heavy. It's very conditioning. It feels very soft on the lips, and I like the color. It's a nice rosy pink kind of nude color. I'm liking it so far. Again, I think my favorite part about it is definitely the texture. It's really thin and it gives a nice wash of color without being completely opaque, but I feel like it gives a standard lipstick finish. Back to these lip color serums, because I definitely see these becoming a regular go-to grab lip product for me. And you want to know why? Is because they remind me a lot of one of my favorites, the NYX Butter Gloss. If you haven't heard me talk about this, just know I talk about it a lot. It's a great cheap option. It gives a great wash of color with a great finish, and it's comfortable on the lips. I think this is similar. This is definitely giving me similar vibes as far as the texture goes, as far as the color payoff goes. This might be slightly more pigmented and slightly more sticky / juicy as far as like shine goes, but I think as far as texture and feel, this is very similar. And it might be a little bit more of like the grown-up version, and it has really delicious, wonderful ingredients. So just for some context for you. The last little item in our goodie bag is our Maskne Oxygen Mist. I've mentioned it before, but I'll say it again. I've become a really big fan of mists these days. I've always had them, but they are just holding a special place in my heart right now for whatever reason. So I'm really happy to have this. I can tell packaging wise, this is just a great size, especially if they're encouraging you to kind of take it with you and use it whenever and wherever. It will fit in a purse, even in a coat pocket really nicely. Let's just spray it to see. Just went all in my water. It's got a nice little oomph to the actual mist itself and a nice thin spray. So we're off to a great start. Let's learn a little bit more. The Advanced Field to Face Mist combines critical care ingredients of green carrot stem cells, moringa extract, and HCIO plus oxygen to target stressed skin. Mist on face to activate your skin's natural defense and gently clear, calm, and balance skin anytime and anywhere. Misted on face and neck anytime your skin needs a little extra TLC. Can be used over makeup. My skin can be a little sensitive, so I'm just gonna do a little patch spray on my neck. It has barely any scent, which I love. I would prefer for almost everything to be unscented unless it's like the perfect scent. And it makes me want to use it more and more and make me feel like I can use it more without it being like, okay, prepare yourself for this like fragrant experience. It feels really nice. It's hydrating. I'm gonna use it and try it and see how it goes. But that's everything. I feel like Christmas just came early. I'm feeling really great. I'm feeling really grateful. But that really wrapped up everything. So You saw basically my first impressions of all of these products, and really the first time I'm getting this brand in my hands, and I've got to say I'm pretty impressed. There was really only one shade of the lip color serums that I probably wouldn't bring into my daily rotation, but other than that, I'm actually really excited to get to using these, putting them in my daily routines and testing them out to just see how long they wear and how comfortable they are and how easy they are to reapply and everything like that, so that I can come back with you down the line and just give you more of a thorough review. But so far, I'm impressed. I love the packaging. The ethos of the brand seems like they are very caring and very kind and very intentional with the products that they put out and the ingredients that they put in them. So if that's something that's important to you, which I hope on some level it is, this is definitely a brand to look out for and to keep an eye on. As I mentioned, there are 2 of the lip color serums that I will not be using. One is an extra shade that I already have one of that I'm excited to be using, and it's the shade B, and this one is the shade Nice, more of like a corally, bright tone. Let me know down in the comments if anyone's interested in maybe a little giveaway situation, and I will chat with you down there and we'll get some details sorted out. I'm excited. I've never done one of those before. 'Tis the season, and the idea of giving back and sharing the excitement really gets me going. Okay, my battery's about to die. So that's all I have for you beautiful people. I'm so happy to have been able to share in this fun opening package moment with you. It was like, seriously, I feel like a little kid. Thank you again to FitGlow Beauty. You guys are beautiful people, and I'm so excited to grow with you and to continue to try and share all of the goodness that you guys have got. Please like this video, please subscribe if you haven't already. It just helps my little tiny baby channel grow and help me do more of these first impressions and unboxings, and ultimately just give some real life recommendations and reviews for you. That's what I get excited about doing. So I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna charge my camera battery and get to making some more videos for you. I love you so much. Please take care, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.